For us, it's more than just endorsement. It's about sharing the same passion. And good enough right now, it's been an inspiration sa entire Sunday family. We've been encouraging our team, not only in the Philippines, but even OFWs, to have an active lifestyle. I think si Kuya Kim is an epitome of an active lifestyle.
Active and healthy. Kuya Kim, ano po ang response mo doon? Ano ba ang meron ng Sante para tumagal tayo ng 13 years?
Magandang tanghali sa inyo lahat. Nice to see you again. Some of you have seen, I know of for more than a decade. We were just together 2 weeks ago when I signed my contract for Jimmy. And ngayon, Sunday naman. But yung sinabi ni Joey, ito yun. I'm so proud of the fact that when Sunday was starting out, this will be 3 years old, ako po ang kinuha nilang endorser. And they were already on their way up. Malalaman mo na itong kumpanya nito, magandang produkto, magaling ang prinsipyo, ang papalit na. Joey and the board and the company was worth millions of pesos with it. And then 2 years, 3 years, 4 years passed by, naging hundreds of millions na. And then now, after 13 years, it's a multi-billion peso company. And the number one party company, probably in Asia, not in the Philippines. But to see them grow, nakasama ko sila ngayon, nakakatuwa because I'm part of the family. At ang friendship ko kay Joey, it goes beyond an endorsement. Kung magkilala kami, we were introduced by a friend who was into triathlon. And we both joined our first half Ironman together. Yung Cebu 70.3. This was the very first Cebu. Ngayon ang binakatan niya na 70.3 sa Pilipinas at sa Asia ay Cebu 70.3. Kung pinakilala ni Joey. Then we race together every year. We race half Ironman, we train for a full Ironman, and then we ran several marathons together. Tinako natin New York Marathon together. So over 13 years, we did endurance sports. Now, after 13 years, nakakatuwa kasi mga anak naman namin ang tumatakbo. Anak naman ni Joey tumatakbo ng marathon, anak naman tumatakbo ng marathon. And ang bond namin, namin ni Joey at ang Sunday board, ang kumpanya, is the bond of fitness and the bond of health. And this is also the essence of the product. Itong Sunday Bar, hindi lang ito masarap. Kasi sa mga hindi pa nakakatingin ng Sunday Barley, sa lahat ng mga barley products in the market, ito po ang pinakamasarap. Masarap inumin. Ako, I drink it because I like the taste. Aside from the fact that it does what it claims. Hitik sa nutrition, vitamina na kailangan mga ano. But the bond here is the bond of fitness and the bond of health. And the friendship has grown through the years. And now that Sante is far number one, I'm still happy, and I'm proud that I'm still part of the family. Maganda ng tanghali.
Palakpakan naman natin si Kuya Kim. Kuya Kim, may question ako bago natin i-open yung floor for questions sa media. Ano po ba yung science behind the product na masishare mo sa amin? Kasi ang balita ako ginagamit ko to personally every morning on an empty stomach. Iba talaga yung pakiramdam, talaga na may kakaibang energy at saka mas robust yung health ng umiinom. Ano po ba meron ng barley? Bakit sobrang healthy nito?
Ang Sunday Barley kasi first of all is all natural. Walang direct na chemical dito. Marami tayong makikita mga barley products in the market that has extenders, has chemicals. This is just barley and nothing else. And if ever it's sweet and it's delicious, it's not because of sugar. It's sugar-free. Stevia, it's a stevia ang ginagamit natin. And it's full of antioxidants and nutrients that the body needs. Kaya di ba yung fiber? Gas kasi is fiber. Yung fiber kaya yung sinasabi mo na masarap tulog sa umaga. Di ba pagkatapos mo inumin, ang sarap pumunta sa banyo?
Opo.
Because of the fiber. Fiber has been proven to be so effective for weight control, to fight diabetes, to fight infections. And Sunday is rich in that. It's a superfood that's rich in nutrients, antioxidants, carried by natural fiber. At masarap.
Saka Kuya Kim, parang napansin ko nung ininom ko kasi to, ang tagal, like I started drinking 2020. Ang tagal bago kami nagka-COVID, talagang parang kami may armor pag iniinom. At saka bumabahaba pa yung buhay ng dad ko na may stage 4 lang.
First. Marami siguro we claim that it's a cure for anything. Ang Sante naman is it doesn't cure anything, pero prevention. Pagka ininom mong Sunday, all the viruses, because our body is so healthy, hindi dadabot at hindi tatama. So, yun ang Sunday.
Ayan ang Pure Barley. So ngayon, let's open the floor to questions.